Dratso. We return. Time is swiftly collapsing the time-space grids that form the framework of your present reality. Ever-increasing new energies are flowing into these grids and shaking the very foundations of the Dark's long hold on you. Nearly 13 millennia ago, the Time Lords and the local Elohim constructed these grids as a temporary measure in order to permit you to survive, and now they are rapidly disappearing. The Dark Ones know this and yet persist in their bizarre schemes to keep all of you entrapped within their dark control fields. The time has come to counter their delusional activities and free your world from their ever-weakening grip. As you look around at your world's political and economic conditions, you can see just how close everything is to complete breakdown. We have monitored the strange maneuvers of this dark cabal and seen how easily they dissociate their continuing fantasies from what is now manifestly becoming real. Our Garthan cousins consider it their prime obligation to you to liberate your surface world from these decaying delusions, and we are here to fully support this vital task. We have, on your behalf, consulted with those who are keen to begin the process of externalizing the new economic and political systems that will free you from the Dark's tyranny. In this regard, various legal documents are being completed and the first steps of new economic systems are being launched by these wealthy and spiritually oriented groups. The Agarthans are assisting your ascended masters, who have, over the millennia, put together a global network that allows each of these groups to communicate amongst each other. Right now, all the preliminary work for carrying out the spiritual revolution to shift your reality to the light has been finished. The next stage is to push the necessary dark governments from power and establish the new international organizations dedicated to peace, freedom, cooperation, and of course prosperity. The initial protocols for these organizations have been signed by most of your world's nation-states. The time is now ripe for action. Those liaisons assigned to our Earth allies report that the procedures for ensuring the safety of the various accounts and the smooth disbursement of the deliveries are being completed, and we expect the deliveries and the concurrent changes in governments to happen shortly. Since these developments will be quite shocking to most on your world, we have arranged for common energies to be present so that this transition will be as stressless as possible. Our Earth allies, under the supervision of your ascended masters, are poised to transform your world with a surge of divine intention. This intention will catalyze the start of the new reality we have been talking about. Your world's shift from dark to light is a most exciting time, and the pivotal event along the way is disclosure. At this point, as you know, we will be making a series of our own introductory broadcasts to your world once disclosure has been formally announced. We also intend to make ourselves more visible to you in your daylight skies once a new government has been installed. One aim of this higher visibility is to emphasize to the dark that any last-ditch attempts at disruption will not be tolerated by us. In the same vein, we have set in motion several countermeasures, which we briefly discussed last week, to forestall the Cabal's plans to mess up the host of beneficial social programs to be instituted by the new governments. We are setting up protection measures designed to nip these obstructive schemes in the bud. Our Garthan cousins have briefed certain trusted members of the new government about our intended safeguarding plans, and we are monitoring all new government personnel to ensure that nothing fishy occurs before, during, and after they take over the reins of power. We want the new governments to carry out their prescribed social programs as smoothly as possible, because only in a positive atmosphere can disclosure be absorbed in a joyful and open manner. Blessings. We are your ascended masters. We come on this day with great news. The time for changes in your reality has arrived. We have instructed our secret sacred societies to move toward delivery and announcements. Your world appears to be working as usual, but in truth it is sliding into a degree of chaos that would normally accompany a dying age. In this light, it becomes necessary to provide an alternative to such a catastrophe if at all possible, and it is for this reason that our surface associates took the extra time required to forge new social, economic, and political reforms for your current societies. These new systems are in place and just need the final checks before a grand spiritual revolution can begin. All across your beloved planet, the cries for freedom, personal sovereignty, and prosperity ring out. These sacred appeals will be answered in the fullest measure imaginable. Lord Suray has decreed that your world shall be freed from the dark and its unrelenting minions. This call has reverberated throughout heaven and has led us to seek the assistance of your spiritual and galactic sisters and brothers. These wise ones have arrived in droves and await our final signal in order to introduce their decisive energies into the sacred fray and liberate all of you from the sinister clutches of the dark. This grand, heavenly gathering is here only to use its wide-ranging and extensive abilities to ensure that your growing spiritual and physical changes are no longer hindered by the machinations of the dark minions who currently control your lives. For millennia we have been engaged in a moral, holding action that has kept the light alive in your lives to a certain extent, and now it is time to expand on this and expel the dark from its power and control over you. As the final series of moves against the dark rolls out, we remain adamant about setting up a new reality that brings the light and its divine grace into all your lives. What is now happening is a deep transformation in the consciousness of your reality, paving the way for it to return to a state of full consciousness. This will result in your reunion with the infinite glories of heaven. Indeed, the same amount of change is happening throughout your galaxy, turning the Milky Way into a great beacon for this aspect of physicality. We rejoice that our efforts, prayers, and guidance have led to this very special moment for us all. Let us come together and welcome our spiritual and galactic families and celebrate the beginning of a truly magnificent future for us all. God bless each and every one. Today, we continued with these messages which are intended to keep you abreast of the great changes that are ready to transform your reality. Our fleet and your ascended masters, as well as all the blessed beings working to return your lovely world to full consciousness, extend a heartfelt thank you for all that you have to endure each day. The end to your difficulties is close at hand. Know, dear ones, that the countless supply and never-ending prosperity of heaven are indeed yours. So be it. Selamat Gahan. Selamat Jah. Surian 41 and we enjoy.